Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda CX-30, stock reference number 5872. This shape ran from the 10th of 2019 to the present. It has a PY 4-cylinder 2.5 litre petrol engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our PY 4-cylinder 2.5 litre petrol engine. We have a left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand taillight. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick, heat AC controls, screen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.